Joining us is Member of Parliament of the BJP, Ravi Shankar Prasad. All right, joining us now on India Upfront, we have Member of Parliament and former Law Minister, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Sir, I want to start by asking you about what Mr. Singhvi said today about the Gujarat High Court, saying that it's a very curious jurisdiction, the way in which today the court said there was no grounds to stay the order. How would you respond?
I think Mr. Singhvi, my good friend, must have read the judgment. I have got a copy of the judgment that runs into 125 pages. And Padmaja, your viewers need to recall, it is a proper judicial process, conviction by the magistrates court, who asked Mr. Rahul Gandhi would he apologize. He did not. He was convicted, appeal admitted by the session court, bail granted, but no permission to stay the conviction. Against that, he had gone to the High Court. And the High Court today in a very elaborate order said that staying of conviction is a rarity. And Rahul Gandhi is suffering 10 cases of defamation, etc. He also complained against Veer Savarkar far away in Cambridge. His grandson has also filed a complaint in Pune. Therefore, Mr. Rahul Gandhi's conduct is that of a habitual offender, which is, as far as defamation is concerned. Therefore, conviction has not been stayed. They can go to Supreme Court, but it is a part of a proper judicial process.
Since you brought up the issue of Mr. Savarkar's grandson filing a defamation case, that also has been referred to by the Congress, where Mr. Singhvi said that it's astonishing the High Court has referred to the Savarkar defamation case against Rahul Gandhi, which was filed after the trial court conviction. He also went on to question the relevance of why a separate defamation case, one about Mr. Savarkar, is now being quoted in a judgment about the Modi comment.
First of all, it is in the context of overall conduct of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Let me recall few things. Did he unleash Chaukidar Chor against our dedicated, honest Prime Minister or not in 1919 in Rafale case? At 2019 Lok Sabha election? In the Rafale's case, the Supreme Court dismissed the PIL. He misquoted the Supreme Court judgment, suffered contempt and then had to apologize. Did he tear the ordinance of Mr. Manmohan Singh or not, his own Prime Minister? It is nonsense. Did he seek the evidence, Khoon ki dalali, from the armed forces? Did he condemn the election commission far away in America or India or not? Did he defame the Indian democracy or not? Did he defame your tribe, the journalist, or not? कि आप लोग बिके हुए हैं? And one journalist close to Congress party, when asked a question, he said, तुम BJP का badge पहन के आ जाओ. I only give you some examples. The kind of abuses he showers on our Prime Minister and my party is different. But larger issue is, Mr. Rahul Gandhi thinks he is above law. Now, as far as Veer Savarkar is concerned, I think Abhishek Manu Singhvi is an eminent lawyer, my good friend. He needs to know that though the trial took place, but when the matter goes to High Court, the High Court can take in a totality of the matter that the very rarity jurisdiction of staying of conviction, I cannot grant in your favor. You are on bail already because of your conduct. And there he takes note of Savarkar's case. Is it a fact or not he abused Savarkar? What did he say? I will not apologize, I am not Savarkar. You know it very well. So these are in public domain. But the larger issue which Padmaja, the court notes, that Rahul Gandhi is the leader of his party. And when he makes a comment because of media, you included, social media, it has a cascading effect, reverberation all over the country. How can you say why all the thieves have Modi surname? Modis are backward, extremely backward people in my state of Bihar, in UP, in MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat. How can you make this sweeping comment? Therefore, today I made a conscious observation that Rahul Gandhi needs to be trained in the art of speaking by his party leaders.
Now, again, the counter to that would be, sir, let's recall a recent episode where the Karnataka Congress, few members of the Karnataka Congress, filed a case against your party member Amit Malviya and said that in tweeting a video where he insinuated that Rahul Gandhi works at the behest of anti-India forces, he has defamed Rahul Gandhi and created enmity, etc. You, or rather a member of your party, went and accused Rahul Gandhi of defamation. Won't this be the end of political discourse? A political fight means you will challenge them, they will challenge you.
Your point is fairly well taken, Padmaja. A right to criticize granted in a democracy. Fun, pun, making allegations are granted in a democracy. Amit Malviya can have a view the way you keep on giving certificate to China, the way very extraneous anti-India forces were sitting by your side in America in your trip recently. All of that have been exposed by your channel. That lady who is very close to that gentleman who has a very anti-India view, the money man. One can take a view that Rahul Gandhi is in cahoots with anti-India forces. Rahul Gandhi goes to JNU with Tukde Tukde gang. Now, there can be a view about it. What is wrong with that? But personal abuses, सारे मोदी चोर क्यों होते हैं सरनेम वाले? This is abuse. The way in which he repeats, the way Rahul Gandhi, I would advise he should visit Andaman Nicobar, the cellular jail, to see for himself the cell in which Veer Savarkar spent 11 years. I have gone there thrice, Padmaja, and every time I have cried. He was not even given a pencil to write his poetry. He was a great poet. And his cell, just below that, there used to be given कच्ची फांसी. What was कच्ची फांसी? आपको लटका दिया, आप चिल्ला रहे हैं till you die, just to scare him. Such a man who did not get anything. We are very proud of his commitment to India, the way he fought. But Rahul Gandhi will keep on publicly insulting him, not only in India but also abroad. He has to be accountable. Why not?
Again, sir, of course.
Right to criticize is fine. But if you abuse someone,
respecting.
Let me complete.
Yes, go on.
If you abuse someone, individual or an association, they have got the right to take recourse to law.
Counter that could be that somebody from JNU tomorrow could actually accuse the BJP of besmirching the whole institution or people there, defaming them by calling them Tukde Tukde gang.
For a kind information, mark my word, he went to JNU to give patronage to the Tukde Tukde gang, not to the JNU. Padma, I hope you are talking to a person who knows a little of law. Okay. But if anyone goes to file a case, it will be shown what kind of drama and dancing was there by Kashmiri separatists in the JNU campus. Those things will be evidence. Let's leave it there. Let them dare to fight a case against the BJP. But the larger issue is, Padmaja, Loktantra Loklaj se chalta hai. And if Rahul Gandhi has been the president of his party, which has ruled the country for more than 50 years, there has to be an inherent responsibility. Just to tell you, did he tell in the public meeting in Delhi or not कि देश का नौजवान नरेंद्र मोदी को डंडे मारेंगे? You have shown that on your channel. Did we file a case against Mr. Rahul Gandhi for that? No. We'll handle it politically. Rahul Gandhi claims he is not being allowed to speak. While giving reply to the presidential address in Raj Sabha, Narendra Modi was not allowed to speak for 2 hours. Conscious, continuous, repeated interruption by the Congress members of the Raj Sabha. You have seen that. Therefore, be it media, be it judiciary, be it institution, be it election commission, be it the armed forces, be it political adversary, Rahul Gandhi is in the habit of showering abuses.
Final question I want to ask you, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Even now, if Mr. Gandhi, and I ask you this as a very senior learned lawyer, even now if Rahul Gandhi was to apologize, could that mean that this case against him could be set aside and he could again, his suspension could be withdrawn?
Well, it is a completely hypothetical question because Rahul Gandhi was given the liberty to apologize and finish the matter by the trial court itself. I hope you remember that. Rahul Gandhi has a very powerful sense of entitlement that I am beyond the law because I hail from a particular family. Therefore, this repeated arrogant comment, I am not Savarkar, that I will apologize. What does it show? Irresponsible arrogance arising out of his family ties. I am entitled to rule regardless of the mud which his party is in.
All right, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, really appreciate you speaking to us. Thanks very much for joining us here on India Upfront.